following is a 3-minute presentation on Group 1's trade show project. The first phase occurs 1 year prior at a cost of $28,577. During this time, we will conduct an initial review of the show's requirements. This includes determining the booth size, determining the booth requirements, sending in show space applications and payments, coordinating with marketing and sales, and engineering to develop product, graphics, themes, and developments. We will also gather recommendations for booth entertainment and recommendations for an after-hours venue. Phase 2 is conducted at 9 months prior to the show at a cost of $5,320. During this phase, we will research vendors to design and construct the booth. Once we have done our research, we will select a contractor for exhibit and booth construction. We will also research after-hours event venues. Phase 3 is performed 6 months prior to the trade show at a cost of $179,351. During this phase, we will perform a 6-month critical date review. We will send in our final show space application and the second payment installment of 25%. We will follow up with engineering on new and existing product developments, finalize designs of the new exhibit and booth, as well as the artwork and graphics, make an initial payment of 50% to begin booth construction, contract with at-show vendors, take out insurance, reserve on-site meeting venues, order booth giveaways and gifts, select and book after-hours event venues, select vendors for the after-hours event, and coordinate with marketing and sales on after-hours giveaways. Phase 4 is performed 4 months prior to the show at a cost of $25,199. At this point in time, we will perform a 4-month critical date review. We will review our booth design and construction to ensure it is on time and on budget, order sales and marketing materials, schedule our first pre-show event meeting, identify staff who will attend the show, identify an advance crew for setup and teardown, budget and make travel arrangements, including airfare, hotel, vehicle, and meals, send mailers to attendees and potential customers, and send special invitations to VIP clients. Phase 5 occurs 2 months prior at a cost of $132,450. During this time, we make all the final preparations in the final months leading up to the trade show. This is the final stage requiring significant cost in the lead-up to the trade show. The remaining 5 phases occur within a relatively short amount of time, as each becomes more critical as we get closer to the start of the show. However, the cost is relatively insignificant during this time. Phase 6 is performed 1 month prior at a cost of $1,093. Phase 7 is performed on arrival at a cost of $1,476. Phase 8 is performed on the opening morning and during the show at a cost of $523. Phase 9 is performed immediately after the show.